when you reframe rubbish and waste, and when instead of looking at it as something that we need to get rid of and just as all of the resources required to make the next iteration of that product, then the question becomes not how do we get rid of this, which is where everyone goes down the line when they're sort of looking for everyone loves biodegradability because they like the idea that we can keep throwing our waste in the oceans and it will just disappear. It doesn't matter if the waste disappears, it's still wasteful to have created a product and to then not properly value that resource. So as I say, if you look at these things as valuable resources, then the question becomes not how do we get rid of them, but how do we identify where they are and get them back into the systems that we need them. And this obviously fits alongside another innovation that's happening at the moment, which is technology and the way we are using technology to track our activities. Now, of course, with Facebook and others' influence on things like politics, there is definitely a downside to be wary of. The more you know about the problem, the better you are going to be able to solve it, I think always rings true. And you know, it rings very much true in this case. The more data you have around what's happening to our materials, where they're going, the better we can redesign this system to be much more efficient and go, okay, well, we've got a bunch of aluminium there and these guys need aluminium. We've got a bunch of plastic here and these guys need plastic. It's the world that we will inevitably move towards because of technological progression, but also because, again, with the circular economy, there is no other sustainable way to consume finite resources. We only have so much stuff, and we can only go on burning and burying that stuff for so long before we run out of stuff.